Welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be looking at 10 fish that is most suitable for Jamaican aquariums, right? And it's based on availability and affordability. So let's go through all 10 together. Now, number 10 on the list, pleco. Now, in Jamaica, the common pleco is the only pleco that is within the aquarium, right? The LB, whatever, plecos, they are not available. The bushy nose or, they little brushy nose plecos, they little brushy nose plecos, you can't find them in Jamaica. That's a common one, them, right? You can catch them in a river too. Alright, cool. That's number 10. Alright, coming in at number 9. Number 9 fish that is popular, or should I say, yeah, it's popular and is available in Jamaica for aquarium. I would put it at mollies. Now, mollies are kept by a lot of young persons, little boys, 12-year-old, 13-year-old, 14-year-old, little girls, same speed, right? These fish are popular and they are kept by these individuals primarily because they are tough and they are able to withstand certain conditions, right? Sometimes people just not really change water. They just want to know them have a fish in the pond and swim. Alright, not coming at number 8. Coming at number 8, as far as popularity and affordability fish concerned, is what you call the swordtail. Now you have probably about 4 or 5 different types of swordtail in Jamaica, and the swordtail, both the green one and the red one, are the most popular ones in Jamaican aquarium. Right? That's number. Right? That's number 8. Alright, coming in at number 7. Number 7, this might sound strange, but as far as affordability and popularity is concerned, coming in at number 7, I would say number 7, this might sound strange, but as far as affordability and popularity is concerned, coming in at number 7, Guppies. You can find guppies even in the gully, right? The Ministry of Health actually use guppies, small fish, some other liberias, also mosquito fish, so as to control the breeding of mosquito within different communities, right? Guppies. Alright, coming in at number 6, Bingano, and sometimes you might find some yellow lab and some blue lab with that, right? And these fish have become popular over the past couple of years, primarily because a lot of persons are now in tune with YouTube and are familiar with these fish being, mouth brewers, and they just find them fascinating. So that's number 6. Number 5 fish that is really affordable and is popular in Jamaican aquarium. Coming at number 5, 5 fish that is really affordable and is popular in Jamaican aquarium. Coming at number 5 are the Oscars. Now you think that Oscar would be number 1, but Oscar kind of loses space home aquariums because they don't have the capability to keep and care an Oscar that is growing like 10-12 inches in length, right, and very huge in a normal 55 or even 40 gallon aquarium. So Oscar is at number 6. Coming in at number 5. Coming in at number 5 is the Jack Dempsey. And Jack Dempsey, really and truly, I would think that Jack Dempsey would be like number 10 or 11. But Jack Dempsey is climbing over the ratings for Oscar because primarily of the color of the Jack Dempsey. We really have several colors, so persons are usually like attractive to these type of fish. Coming in at number 4. 4 popular fish related to affordability also. Coming in at number 4 is what you call the Severum. Now the Severum comes in 2 main colors in Jamaica local pet shop, and they come in the form of albino and green Severum, right? You find them in the pet shop, either albino or green, right? Looking really awesome. They kind of remind me, although probably might laugh, but they kind of remind me of discus, right? Discus is so expensive in Jamaica that you can kind of get to several and probably even show it off like a discuss. Like probably people not even realize. Okay, coming in at number 3. Number 3 popular fish in Jamaica, related to the whole idea of popularity and affordability. Coming in at number 3, angels. Aquafunk will love this, right? Angelfish. Angelfish are becoming a little any pet shop these days, and you can actually get some angels to purchase. All right. Coming in at number 2. What is number 2? In Jamaica, we don't like to use the word number 2. We prefer to use deuce. If the boys see me using 2, they probably might think something different, right? So coming in at number deuce. At number 2, number deuce, number second, that one that one will come after 1, right? Coming at number 2, koi and goldfish. It's kind of difficult to separate koi and goldfish, because once you say koi, it's like you expect somebody to say goldfish, right? And even in a koi aquarium or a pond, you will always find goldfish. And persons usually buy the 2 of them, put them together, So coming in at number deuce is koi and goldfish. Coming in at number 1. Coming in at number 1 with regards to popularity and affordability. Although I don't think it's really affordable based on the prices in which I have seen these days, are betta fish. Now, betta fish getting so popular in Jamaica. I mean, the breeder would carry 2,000 betta fish at the price of $2,500 for the male, $2,500 for the female. And within 2 days, all the betta fish in the store would be sold, would be gone. Zoops, eat that, it's done. That's it, right? For top 10 fish found in Jamaica with regards to affordability and availability. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day. Raliegh here. Peace!